Okay, when we're asked to verify this trig identity, we're going to apply a lot of algebraic stuff to it. But first, I'm going to do this. I'm going to replace cosecant squared with 1 over sine squared. Because that's one of our strategies, is to replace everything that's not sine and cosine with sine and cosine. So let's do that. So cosecant is 1 over sine squared, and cotangent is cosine over sine. Okay, so now I've changed the numerator and I've changed my denominator. Okay, and yes, it looks like it's crazy, and it is, but don't worry yet, it will be fine. So now I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm dividing a fraction by a fraction, so I'm going to instead multiply by the reciprocal. So I have 1 over sine squared, and I'm going to multiply that by sine over cosine, which is the reciprocal of cosine over sine. So now I no longer have division of a fraction, I have multiplication. Okay, and as you probably know, one of these signs can cancel out with one of those signs. Okay, so that's 1 over sine times the cosine. So I can do here, since I have a product of fractions, is I can make this into 1 over sine times 1 over the cosine. I can split this denominator into 2 separate fractions, which is very advantageous because 1 over the sine is also known as the cosecant, and 1 over the cosine is also known as the secant. And I believe that's exactly what we wanted our problem to be. Cosecant times secant. Okay, so by rewriting everything in terms of sine and cosine, and then employing some of these algebraic strategies of multiplying by the reciprocal, I am able to verify this trigonometric identity.